So in this video today, the content's going to include how to stain a wooden airplane. I'm choosing to stain it a gray color, and I think it's most fitting for the plane. So stick with me and let's see how it turns out.
This is a really cool wooden airplane that I found at a resale shop. I think it looks really neat in the natural wood finish, and I believe it is supposed to be used as a planter, but you could also put this into a kid's room. You could suspend it in the air and they could put little stuffed animals in it. It's just a really cool, neat plane. I did not get any takers on this plane on Marketplace, so I decided I'm going to stain it gray. I'm going to be staining it a weathered gray. I am mixing the stain thoroughly before I begin. I will begin staining it now, and I will be using multiple items to stain the plane. One being a piece of cloth, another a sponge brush, and a small paintbrush to get in the small crevices. I chose to stain this plane instead of painting it because I did like this weathered gray stain. I wanted the color of this plane to look like the gray on the old Spitfire planes. I just kind of alternate from using the cloth and using the foam brush for staining the plane. I think it is so cool how just a coat of stain or a coat of paint can really change something. Just giving it a different feel and a different look. This plane will need 2 coats of stain. Staining the bottom side now. Not too much more staining of the plane left. I used the small paintbrush to get in certain spots, especially small crevices that I can't get the cloth or the larger foam brush in. Staining the wheels, using small paintbrush for the small crevices. Stain the plane. The first coat is on the plane. As you can see, it will take a couple of coats of stain. Coat number 2 of stain going on the plane. The plane, the plane. I used to love that fantasy island. Hi there. Doing my plane dance because I'm excited about how it's looking. Just having a little fun. I know that my plane sounds like it's out of gas. Here is the finished stained plane. I really like the gray. It's poppin'. I do believe we will get a buyer for this plane now. Just look at it. What a fun project to stain. It gave me a little bit of a change from furniture. And remember, we went from this to this. Which one do you like better? If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.